Hello class, today's lesson is going to be on absolute value and opposites. Now, this is a standard number line. Once we start at 0 in the middle. When we go to the right, we are increasing, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, going to the right. Now, if you go to the left, as you notice, these are negative numbers. They begin to decrease, so -1, -2, -3, -4. So in this situation, -1 is actually bigger than -4, even though the value of 1 is less than 4. So just keep that in mind as you think about this lesson. Now, absolute value. All the absolute value means is what is the distance from the specific number to 0, right? How much will that be? So let's say I have the number 5. What is the absolute value of 5? And we denote it like this. This means absolute value of 5. So in this situation, if 5 is here, the distance from 0 to 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the absolute value of 5 is simply 5. The distance it takes to get from 0 to that number. Now, on the flip side, let's say what is the absolute value of -5? Now, -5 in this situation will be all the way over here. Now, same thing. What is the distance from 0 to -5? And if we go ahead and do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the absolute value of both 5 and -5 is going to be 5. Okay? Now, let's talk about opposites. All opposites are, if you look on a number line and you pick a number, the opposite is going to be its counterpart to the other side of the number line. So let's take the number 3, for example. 3 is right here. Opposite side of the number line is -3. So the opposite of 3 is -3. Now, if we take -4, for example, and we're trying to find the opposite of -4, then we're going to find -4 and look to the opposite side of the number line. So then the opposite of -4 is going to be equal to 4. So once again, the absolute value is the distance it takes to get from 0 to a specific number. And then opposites is a number and its counterpart on the opposite side of the number line. And that's it for today's lesson on absolute value and opposites.